Hello everyone, this is Mujahid, Bilal.
And this is Aaron.
So we have created this connection between Speckle comments and a Notion database. And what does it do, Aaron?
So what it does, it takes comments that you place on a model in Speckle and transfers it to Notion, where you can better track and update and assign it to a person to work on it and so on. So it's a way to make it more workable for, let's say, an architect or engineer in office.
And maybe integrating the two applications might expand the capabilities of comments feature, right? Because right now comments are quite limited. It only has two states. It's either live or archived, but in Notion you can assign them a lot of status. Aaron, what are the properties that we have sent from Speckle to Notion?
So from Speckle, we can get the comment ID. That way we can make the connection. Also the author name, as well as camera position and the date and time that it was created at. It also sets the screenshot of the comment as the cover of the page, so you can immediately see what it's referencing, as well as embedding a Speckle viewer into the page. And
Exactly.
then all new comments are assigned a status of not started.
You know what? Instead of explaining it, maybe we can make a quick run. So I'm going to open the application. So we have already pre-filled these areas, but I'm going to explain that in later. So let me click on run and let me go to the example database. So as you can see, it's populating the data, sets the cover image as the screenshot of the Speckle comment. And then once it's done, you know what, maybe we have this one. So if you open it, its status as set as the not started. And then we have the ID, author ID, created at, and the camera position. And then we have created this embed viewer. And the beautiful thing is this link between the two apps is a bidirectional link. So once let me go to Speckle and go to comments. Maybe let's archive the change color to blue. And then let's archive change color to blue. Let me come back to the application and click on run again. And let's go back to Speckle. And yeah, so change color to blue is now archived. Thank you, everyone. Thank you very much.
Thank you, guys.